I tell you what, could we have a first-time winner, Scotty, in the PDRA right here?
Well, Marcus Butner's hoping so as he sits over on the left-hand side. Jim Halsey, no stranger to the winner's circle. Butner trying to get there for the first time in his career. Top light comes on for Halsey on the right side. Both of them pre-stage now. Marcus Butner in. Here we go.
Oh, man! Butner was there! Top end! Butner got him on a hole shot! It's over! Marcus Butner, a first-time winner in the PDRA, and Scotty, he took out Daddy Strut.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Right. People watching at home.
We did it.
We get to crown our very first winner tonight here at the PDRA North versus South. A first-time winner on the PDRA series. You were a little emotional getting out of the car, but I want to talk business here for a minute. First off, you told me you wouldn't stand me up. You held true. You said you wanted Jim Halsey. He is the best, and you just beat the best, left on him, and got down there by 1 freaking thou.
It's hard to say. I mean, 1 thou, I mean, it's nothing. I mean, it's just Lord's looking after us today.
Talk a little bit about your team, who you want to thank for this win.
I want to thank God for the opportunity to be here. My family back home, my wife, my 2 boys, and Mom and Dad. Dad, this is for you. Happy Father's Day. I got the best team in the world. I mean, Jay Cox tunes the car, and Pat gives us plenty of horsepower. I mean, we got a good thing going, and it's not easy. I mean, everybody thinks you can just buy this and hire him and do this, but you have to put in the work. I mean, we've been testing and testing and testing, and we're still going to test after this. So.
I love it. The passion is definitely there. Your guys are waiting for beer. Go enjoy it. Congratulations and happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Thank you, Courtney.